Hi everyone, it's Anna from TravelJoy. Let's say I have a form that exists off of TravelJoy, such as in a document or in another form platform. And I want to bring that form into TravelJoy so I can collect client information and handle my entire workflow all in one place and save me some back and forth. I can now import forms instantly with Magic Importer here so that I no longer have to do the manual rebuilding of a form by hand. I can do this by either uploading a file or importing from URL, or you can just paste a URL to your publicly available form and the importer will handle all the content. For today, let's import this document. We can see that there are 6 sections here with a bunch of questions under each section. I'm going to go ahead and download this form so we can import it into Magic Importer. And now that the import is complete, we can see that every field and every section has been imported for me in the correct order. The client information fields are now linked to the client profile in TravelJoy, so those fields in the contact will get updated automatically. And we can see that every section and every question format is all reflective of my original document. So this is all looking really great. I'm going to go ahead and save this and start collecting client inquiries just like that. All right, thank you.